guys, so today's video will be a charm clothing haul slash style with me type of video. This video is in partnership with Boohoo, and I've been shopping on Boohoo for a while now, and I was like,
you know, I wish one day I get to work with Boohoo. And guess what? I am.
They reached out to me and I was super excited to be working with them. So yeah, all the items in this video are from Boohoo and they'll be listed down below in the description box. So if you're interested, make sure you check that out. And I'm pretty sure I'll also have a coupon code for you guys so you know we can save some coins. I think that's all I had to say. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first item I got from Boohoo is this lace bodysuit and I absolutely love it. The strap is also adjustable, so that's a plus. And also it's a buttoned up bodysuit, so you know you don't have to take the whole thing out to use the restroom. Also the necklace I'm wearing, which you guys keep on seeing in the video, is also from Boohoo. It's a 3-set piece and I absolutely love it. The next item I got are these boyfriend jeans. I've been wanting these jeans for the longest time. Try to find boyfriend or mom jeans, but you know, they never have the one in my size. They're always too big on me. These fit perfectly on me. I think I got these in size 2. So yeah, I really like how this look and I really like, you know, the skin's showing. And also in the styling video you guys saw, I wore these stiletto. They're also from Boohoo. It's a black velvet type of heels and they have these type of studs going on around the heels, which I thought was really nice and chic.
Don't know if you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and
Then the next item I got from Boohoo is this red puffer jacket, and if you guys already know, puffer jacket are totally in trend right now for the winter time. And you know, I just picked up this red one. It keeps me really warm. It's puffy, but it's lightweighted. I don't know if that makes any sense. I really like the detail on here, and there's also like this tip of fur by your neck, so you know you keep your neck warm. So I styled this red puffer with these red pumps, which is also from Boohoo. Once again, I absolutely love everything I got from them. These are just the Socks Easy inspired type of boots. What I really like about this boots is it have a flat top. This is like a new type of high heel. It's like a flat, I don't know what these are called. I thought they look so nice and trendy. It's also a pointy tip.
This chicken, she just moved right up the block from me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. But oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time I bet I make this with him mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
you don't know what you mean to me. I do. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
Then the next item I got is this oversized sweatshirt dress, and it's in this neon type of lime green-ish type of shirt, and it just say limited edition, and it just say USA tour on the side. I just think this look really trendy, and also I don't know if you guys noticed, neon is like going back in trend. You know, I thought I'll never wear neon, but apparently I am. So the dress by itself looks so plain, so you know I had to style it with a belt purse. What are these called? A fanny pack or like a belt purse, I don't know. And then I feel like this will finish off the look more for the winter time. For this outfit, I just pair with these snakeskin boots, and once again they're also from Boohoo. And I just think the outfit goes so well together and I absolutely love it. And I also got a pair of shades, but I don't know where I left them. But you guys can see in the styling video, I wore this like bronze type of shade, and it's like those small type of sunglasses that I really like. So yeah. So yeah, this is the next look and I absolutely love it.
Yeah. Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when When I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before, I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for my...
So the next thing I got from Boohoo are these necklaces. They're a 2-piece set. I actually want the one in gold, but they sent me the silver one. It looked exactly like the one I'm wearing right now, but it's just in silver and they're also separated. So yeah, I did not know how to pair these with any of the outfits I've received. So yeah. Then the next item I got from Boohoo is this oversized sweater, and it's so comfy. I can't wait to wear it to school, so you know I can take a nap in it. So once again, I just, you know, wrap this purse around, which is also from Boohoo if you guys are wondering. Okay, so I put this on backward, but we're just gonna have to roll with it. So I just, you know, put this purse on so you know it pulls the look together, and then I'm just gonna pair this with my black knee-high boots. This outfit is so nice for the winter. I'll definitely wear this a couple times for the winter time. Although it doesn't get that cold in Florida, it's a cute outfit, you know? So yeah, that's finished off the look. I'm still wearing the same necklace and the sweatshirt, and then I'm just wearing my black velvet knee-high boots. And if you guys were wondering, in my last video I was wearing the sweater also in one of the outfits I created. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching like always. And once again, if you're interested in any of the items I show you, they'll be listed down below in the description box. Also, once again, I want to say a huge thank you to Boohoo for working with me to bring this video for you guys. And yeah, I think that's all I had to say. If you aren't subscribed to my channel. I'm so close to 100K, so yeah, I think that's all I had to say. My voice is like dying. I need some water.
Bruh, hold on. We might as well.
Might as well, bro.
Alligator.
Bruh, hold up. We in downtown right now. This is like the most ghetto hooded place to be at this time. You feel me? It's like so many hobos.
But actually, I like the scene. I like look at the trees. It's actually nice.
Feel me? Okay. So